25-yard line was tackled by Jason Hatcher. And the Giants in Dallas territory will have a 3rd down and 2.
And you get the feeling Tom Coughlin didn't like that statistic that his team was the last place ranked rushing offense in the league this season ago. I said the hard part is with the new schedule, the limited practices and the limited padded practices, you just can't work on the running game the way you used to.